had a booting problem with Kali Linux after installation using a Dell Inspiron 113162, then this might solve your problem. Alright, so this Dell was bought last 2016, and it had a mechanical drive, so after a couple of years it wasn't really that usable, so I decided to replace it with an SSD just this year, and it became better compared to the previous drive. So in this video I have successfully installed Windows 10 64-bit, and all the drivers have been installed as well, updates of Windows, including the Kali Linux 2023 version 64-bit as well. So currently I'm just showing you that the Windows 10 64-bit is working properly. By the way, this has an 8 gig RAM DDR3L. So previously it had 4 gig, but I replaced it with an 8 gig. As you can see, it's responsive. Now we are going to boot on the Linux, Kali Linux 64-bit, where we can see the problem at hand. Just putting the password of the BIOS, and we're going to select Kali Linux operating system. So this is the problem. So after you've seen those loading Linux 6.3.0, it just went dark and nothing happens. So after that, you just need to hold the power button until it resets. And this is the solution. You have to go back to the BIOS. In my case, I have to unlock the BIOS first so that I can do some changes. So go to security, unlock setup. I'm just going to input my password, and then go to boot. And then, as you can see, the load legacy option ROM is enabled, so we are going to disable it. Basically, this would solve the problem of the Kali Linux boot up. Just click select yes, and then exit, saving the changes. Right, wait for it to boot up. Select the Kali Linux operating system, and this time it should show you the logo of Kali Linux. There we go. So I have connected my HDMI cable here, just to show you what's this clearly, the interface. So just inputting my credentials, and then that is it. Right, so I hope this helps. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Don't forget to leave some likes, subscribe if you can, help me grow my channel. Thank you for watching.